actually, to be honest with you. Let me look at my phone. It is 10:51 in the morning. It's Sunday, and I am currently here at the municipality of Gubat. We're currently celebrating the International Women's Month, and so the program started at 6 o'clock in the morning. They have parade, and then there's a talk from Dr. Ferreras. He was talking about preventive check for women, and of course, we emphasize the importance of women in our society. That for every successful man, there is a woman behind it, and that I couldn't agree more, right? Because even if you're a single guy, you wouldn't be here without your mom. So when I am talking about man for every successful man, there's a woman behind it. I'm not just talking about your partner, I'm also talking about your mom, your sister, you know. So kasi hindi lahat may jowa, hindi lahat may asawa. But anyway, so that's what we have right now. We also have mass. We are actually in the middle of the mass right now. The service has already ended, and then right now we're having our communion. So after this it's going to be lunch break, and then the program will resume in the afternoon, because they will have folk dances. I don't know if they have competition or whatever, but anyway, that's the event this afternoon. So anyway, what is it that I'm going to share? So since today is a special day, because again it's Sundays, the day of, it's the day to rest, and the day to praise and worship. And thank goodness that, while we are celebrating the women's month, we are also giving God the right glory, the right praise and worship. So for that, I am dedicating my time and my heart. So anyway, I really don't have much thing to say, but I felt like I am compelled to say so anyway, because there's a lot of things to say, especially this month. The parade started, and then I've seen these faces of different women wearing pink and purple. That is the theme, the theme and the color of this month, as we are celebrating the women's month, right? So the color is purple, and also pink. So pink and purple, very feminine, right? So babaylan, the theme is lead like babaylan. So what is babaylan? Babaylan, if I am not mistaken, I do a little bit backwards to our history, Philippine history. When I think about babaylan, I think about way back when we are still not, when we weren't yet colonized, when we weren't yet when we haven't evolved yet, that we were guided by spirit. We don't have any guide, we don't have any manual of what is it that we need to do, that we don't have words that we are following, but rather we are guided by the spirit. Maybe it's also guided by our instinct, like we still have that animalistic behavior at that time, that we women do not mind of how our hair looks like. We don't mind what kind of clothes we're wearing. So babaylans, women were fearless. Women were what's the word I'm looking for? They were warriors. I can imagine that in my eyes right now. I can imagine that in my mind right now, that how a babaylan woman looks like. You have that accessories. I'm imagining untouched forest, greens and animals, and deep values and respect towards the nature, that we have that understanding that we are one with the nature, that we are in one accord, we are in one accord, that we don't need to say a word at all, that we can just look at each other's eyes and we can receive the instruction from another person, or it could be that instinct, the animalistic instincts that we used to have. But anyway, I don't want to explain it further because we do have different explanation what Babaylan is. But anyway, Babaylan is a woman guided by spirit. She's fearless, she's a warrior, she's not afraid to speak her mind. She has a purpose. And now let's talk about the present times. Now, today, the presence, today, now, ngayon na. Comparing myself to a Babaylan, a leader, lead like a Babaylan, I always believe that, I myself doesn't need to live and act in accordance to other people's expectations, that I am a believer that I have a purpose, that I am not just a woman. I am a woman. I am not only a woman. I am a woman. I am a woman. I have a purpose, and it's a good and it's a beautiful reminder as well. This morning when I read the word of the day, my favorite verse of all times. I know I have a lot of favorite verses and word, but this one, it really stands out to me the most. I want to be a Proverbs 31 woman. The Proverbs 31 woman, 31 verse 25, that she's clothed with strength and dignity, and she faces and she loves at the future without fear. So that's about it. So we are joyful. We have this unspoken joy. We have this joy that we cannot verbalize. That you can see that there's a hope that we cannot put into words. That, hey, I'm a Proverbs 31 woman. I am a Babaylan leader. I am a woman. I am a Babaylan. I am a child of God. I am a woman of God. I am a Proverbs 31 woman, that she is clothed with strength and dignity, and she loves the future without fear. So there you have it. So there you go. Let's take a quick look. I'm gonna step out of my car before they'll have the lunch break, and I'll show you how it looks like. So we are all wearing not including, because I'm not wearing a purple top, but it's close, right? This is maroon, red, violet. I have my purple earrings, and I also have my let me show you what I've got. I also have a purple. Hey you. I also have a purple, and I got this from Planet Fitness, my membership from Planet Fitness. So this one is, what is this? There you go. So there you go. Hey girl, stand out and speak up, and do not be afraid. Do not be afraid to show them that you have what it takes. Come on, let's go. I'll show you. I'll show you how it looks like. My mom is she's also inside, so I am going to capture the front of the So there you go. So that's the event place. Yeah. So okay. there you have it. So keep shining and keep...